Hey, what is up guys? Tech Beast here, making a new video, and today I'm reviewing Lite-On DVD writer/reader. So go ahead and I am going to review this lovely DVD writer, and it's pretty cheap. I don't need a high-tech DVD writer/reader. So yeah, let's get started. So in the box, there's this wonderful wrap. It's like 20 feet long. Yeah, I have a sock over it, so I have some things in the case, and then the tripod. Yeah, and then cleaner for the screen. I don't know, but here is the DVD writer right here, and the invoice. Let me see. Anything that's as you can see, yeah, it's DVD burner Lite-On. That's the brand. Replacement within 30 days. Okay. So it's dirty. Came dirty. So, yeah. Let me unwrap this. You just gotta love wrapping paper bubbles. They're awesome. Okay, so here it is. So let's take it out of here. Here it is. Nothing special, just a normal DVD burner. Focus. DVD multi. Focus. Doesn't want to focus on me. There's the connections back here. SATA connection, power, and SATA data. So yeah, nothing that special, just a regular DVD burner, really cheap. I'll put the link down in the description below. Really fast shipping, and came in 3 business days, free shipping. Thanks to NewEgg for that. They had like a little special going on. So yeah, thanks NewEgg for sponsoring this video also, because you gave me the product, and then I'm reviewing it. So yeah, this isn't the best setup, but next video I promise you it's gonna be a better setup. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video /review, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.